Hello, in this video I'm gonna unbox the LEDGER Flex cold wallet for crypto, of course. And I've already unboxed the LEDGER Nano S Plus as well as LEDGER Nano X, and this is sort of a different device. You can see the previous ones that I've unboxed on this channel look sort of like a USB drive. This one looks to me like an ebook reader. So let's open it. Just two seals here and there, like on Apple products. Now we can simply take it out. And let's maybe take this welcoming box first. And we'll get to the device in a moment. Well, I need to open it, and it doesn't seem as intuitive to open as I would think. Well, I'm not gonna open it. It just says cable, so I'm pretty sure there's just a cable. Now let's take the device out. Okay. And yeah, I believe it has the e-ink screen. Let's see if I can power it on. Yes, I can. Of course, there will be videos on setup and stuff like that. Then there are the recovery keys that you can fill, recovery sheets that you can fill. Not too easy to take out, but yes. They're quite big, actually, quite large in size. And yeah, it says don't share it, don't lose it, don't digitize it. This is a secret, and don't open it in front of cameras if you have it already filled, or don't fill it in front of cameras. And there are 3 pieces of these recovery sheets for your seed phrase, of course. Then there are documents. Let's see the documents here. Okay, just one. And there's the cable that I have no idea how to open. Let's tap to continue. Tap to continue. Yeah, I like this device. Really seems really cool. Okay, I'm gonna just turn it off for now. And we'll see in a different video, of course, the whole process. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.